Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you my progress on cylinder cast which I will be using for wheel colliders. I have created two different kinds of cylinder casts. I'm just going to show you the pros and cons of those two cylinder casts, and I have achieved some kind of hacky solution as well, which I will be showing you in this video. So let's see one of the multi-raycast solution I made for approximating cylinder cast. So let's play, and as you can see, let me enable the gizmos as well. It's like a multi-raycast solution. As you can see, there are multiple raycasts. It checks if it hits anything, and it approximates the cylinder's position where it should be depending on the ray cast. But this has issues. Most cases it will work fine, but let's say there are very small size objects. As you can see, it does not properly place it on this. We can solve this problem by increasing the ray counts in middle as well. Let me just increase the height segments, which will eventually increase the amount of rays in between as well. It's still not perfect, but in most cases it will work, but this adds a lot of ray casts, so it will be heavy on the performance. If you want to use this solution, then you will have to use Unity's dot system, and this also has issues with like accurate approximation. It's not smooth. As you can see, it's not smoothly going up the stairs. We can't like smooth it out perfectly like a cylinder would be, but let's say we increase the ray counts in between, then it will be a little bit smoother, but still it's not perfectly smooth. And this also adds a lot of rays. There might be better solutions to do this, but I haven't checked them out, and I made a different solution which I will be showing you just now. As you can see, there are like let's say 57 ray counts per height segment. That means 57 into 14, I don't know, a lot of ray casts per wheel. For one vehicle it will be multiplied by 4, and then if you have like more than 10-20 vehicles, multiply that, you can guess how much more raycasts will be there. Let's see different approach, which is most reliable solution I have found till now. So this is like a combination of capsule cast and box cast, so intersection between the two. So it works for all the cases. As you can see here, it does work, right? And it also works on the corners, and the important part is it's very smooth on this kind of corner. As you can see, it's very smoothly lifts up, not like the raycast solution we have here. And also it works even if we rotate, or even if we rotate like this, it still works. Also it's very performant than this. I'm just going to show you the performance difference as well. Now we have 400 instances of both of them. Okay, we will test now. Okay, let's see. It's taking 24%, and this one is taking only 1%. So see how much performance difference there is. So this solution is performant as well as accurate than the multi-raycast solution. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment or join my Discord. I will see you in the next video.